Think, Grow, and Rich is a personal development and classic self-help book written by Napoleon Hill. This book is structured around Hill's law of success, a set of principles that he believes are necessary for achieving success. It develops positive thinking in readers' minds and makes the mind capable enough to overcome obstacles to achieve success in their lives. The book is based on Napoleon Hill's own experiences, research, and interviews conducted with the individual successful personalities of that time, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison. Once an American business tycoon and steamship magnate, Robert Dollar said,
"I feel greatly indebted for the privilege of reading your law of success. If I had this philosophy 50 years ago, I suppose I could have accomplished all that I have done in less than half the time. I sincerely hope the world will discover and reward you."
Napoleon's law of success comprises of 13 basic principles, but in this video we are going to discuss 5 principles that every entrepreneur must know. 1. Desire. Having a desire for something is a natural phenomenon, whether it be getting good grades in school and college, having a good job, owning your business, becoming rich, and wanting to have a luxurious lifestyle. The starting point for all achievement is a strong desire for something because it provides the motivation and force to take needed action and overcome obstacles. Without desire, it is difficult to find the energy and commitment necessary to pursue your goals. To achieve success, you must have a clear and specific desire for what you want to accomplish. Once my friend named Jake had a strong desire to become an entrepreneur and start his business. What did he do? He put all his time and effort into researching and planning the business and finding customers and investors, deals with every challenge that arises, and makes it happen. Napoleon said,
"The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat."
A strong desire for something is different from a fleeting interest or wish. It is a deep-seated passion or needs that drives you to take action and do whatever it takes to achieve your goal. It is a driving force that gives you the energy and determination to keep going, even when things get tough. The desire that Jake possesses was a burning desire that motivates him and pushes him to fulfill his dream. Because only having a desire for something is not enough to become successful, it must be a burning desire. How to achieve it? 1. Identify your passions and goals. 2. Set specific and measurable goals. 3. Try to take action on a specific goal. 4. Wait for feedback. 2. Faith. Having faith in oneself and one's abilities, skills, and potential is essential for success, because it allows individuals to take risks, pursue their goals with confidence, and overcome obstacles. Faith also involves trusting in one's own judgment and decision-making abilities, rather than relying on the opinions or approval of others. For instance, if you have faith in your ability to learn new skills, you will be more likely to take on challenging tasks and pursue that skills, even if you are not immediately proficient in them. Likewise, in the above example, Jake did that because he had a burning desire and faith in himself, which strengthened and made him competitive to achieve success, rather than dwelling on weakness or failures. Having faith is also helpful to set small, achievable goals and celebrate successes along the way, as this can help build confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Surrounding oneself with supportive and encouraging people can also help boost faith in oneself, as they can provide encouragement and validation. On the other hand, if you lack faith in your abilities, you may be more likely to shy away from new challenges and opportunities, even if they could lead to personal and professional growth. How to achieve it? 1. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. 2. Set small, achievable goals. 3. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people. 4. Practice positive thinking and self-affirmation. 5. Seek out new challenges and experiences. 3. Specialized knowledge. Successful people tend to have specialized knowledge in a particular field or industry. This principle suggests that in order to achieve success in any field, you must acquire specialized knowledge in that particular field. This means that you must have to become an expert in your chosen field by gaining as much knowledge and experience as possible. Having specialized knowledge can give you an edge over others who are competing for the same position as you are. It can also help you to solve problems and make better decisions in your professional life. Specialized knowledge can be acquired through education, training, and hands-on experience. Take the example of someone who wants to be a successful doctor. He must acquire specialized knowledge in medicine and healthcare. This might involve completing a medical degree, getting internships and residencies, as well as continuing his education and training throughout your career to stay up to date with the latest advances in the field. The same thing my friend Jack did. He was interested in the field of computer science, so he pursued the field of computer science as his career. How to achieve it? 1. Try to get an education in the particular field of interest. 2. Seek out mentors and advisors who specialize in that field. 3. Read and research your topic. 4. Try to seek out practical experience. 5. Stay up to date with the latest knowledge. 4. Organized planning. Successful people tend to have a clear plan for achieving their goals and take consistent action toward it. They organize their plans in a more creative and advantageous way. They use specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, known as SMART technique. Organizing the plan requires breaking down the goals into smaller and more manageable tasks and setting strict deadlines for each of them. It also involves identifying any potential challenges or obstacles you might face and developing strategies to overcome them. Organized planning is important because it helps you to focus your efforts, stay on track, and make progress towards your goals. It also helps you to prioritize your time and resources and to use them effectively. For instance, someone has an idea about a unique startup, but to initiate it requires a lot of initial capital investment and resources. The only way to get this is to have the investors on the board. And for this is to write the perfect business pitch and break down their goals into smaller and more organized steps. How to achieve it? 1. Set SMART goals. 2. Break your goals down into smaller tasks. 3. Create a schedule. 4. Identify potential challenges. 5. Review and adjust your plan regularly. 5. Decision. The ability to make quick and decisive decisions to pursue your goals and take action towards achieving them is a critical step towards success. It requires you to commit to your goals and take the necessary steps to achieve them. Decision-making involves evaluating your options, weighing the pros and cons, and making a choice that aligns with your values and goals. It requires courage, as it involves stepping out of your comfort zone and taking risks. It also requires discipline and self-control, as you must follow through on your decision and take consistent action toward them. Effective decision-making involves setting clear goals and priorities, gathering relevant information, and considering the potential consequences of your choices. It also involves being open to new ideas and being willing to adapt and adjust your plan as needed. But to remember, decision-making is relative. Your decision might be different in different situations. If someone wants to change his career, it is necessary to make a conscious decision to pursue it and take action toward its attainment. This might involve updating his resume, networking with professionals in his desired field, and seeking out training and learning opportunities. Making decisions is also helpful in improving personal health. If someone wants to improve his health, to achieve this goal, one must be proactive and take action by dedicating themselves to achieving it and working towards it. This might involve changing his diet, exercising regularly, and seeking medical advice and support. How to achieve it? 1. Set clear goals and priorities. 2. Gather relevant information. 3. Consider the potential consequences of your choices. 4. Seek out diverse perspectives. 5. Practice active listening. 6. Take your time. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.